will be writing C.R.S. in your exams. Watch this video. I will show you few of the topics that you need to focus on. C.R.S., as you already know, is a very vast subject, so you really don't need to read every topic in your C.R.S. textbook. NECO has brought out a particular set of topics in their syllabus, official NECO syllabus, that contains all the topics that from which they will take questions from in the exam. So pay attention to this video. Just watch this video from beginning to the end, and I'll begin to share with you those topics in this year's NECO syllabus that when you watch them, they will help you to make very good grades in your C.R.S. NECO examination. Number one topic is sovereignty. Of course, it's always the number one, even in WAEC. Sovereignty. God the creator, God the controller of the universe. Then read leadership roles, focusing on Joseph, Moses, Joshua, and Deborah. Read parental responsibility. Under it, read up things about Eli and Samuel. Things about Eli and Samuel, okay? Read consequences of Saul's disobedience. Consequences of Saul's disobedience. Okay, by the way, if you want me to send you this particular scheme or syllabus that I'm reading this scheme from for C.R.S., just do three things. Like this video, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then when you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Once you say I have subscribed, I will send you this material and any other material that you need, like past question, if you need syllabus in other subjects, including for WAEC, NECO, JAMB, and any other subject. If you also want me to add you to our online WhatsApp group, I will do that. So watch this video to the end, like this video, then subscribe. Okay, the next topic is about decisions, making decisions. Under you have Solomon's wisdom, the unwise decision of Solomon and Rehoboam. 7, supremacy of God. Read of supremacy of God, religious tensions during Ahab's reign, Elijah at Mount Carmel. Read up greed and its effects. Under it, read up Ahab and Gehazi. Then number 9, read up religious reforms, the reign of King Josiah. Read up concerns for one's nation, the condition of the nation, response to the state of the nation. Read up faith in God. Faith in God. Even in your exam, you need faith in God, but you need to read it up as a topic for your NECO examination. Under faith in God, read up faith and courage, faith and power. Of course, you can see the biblical references for each of these topics I mentioned. Then read up nature of God. Under nature of God, read up true religion and social justice, Amos. God's divine love, Hosea. Read up this thing. Then we now get to section B. The theme of section B is the gospel. We are now entering into New Testament. The gospel, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, and Acts of the Apostles. Remember to pay attention to reading, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Then also when you subscribe, come and under the comment of this video and tell me that you have subscribed. Okay, now read up baptism and the temptation of Jesus. The baptism, the temptation. Read up the call and demand of discipleship. Read up Jesus' teachings on forgiveness. The trials of Jesus. Jesus at Gethsemane. Peter's denials. Condemnation of Jesus. Read up the crucifixion, burial, and resurrection of Jesus. Read up fellowship in the early church. Read up the Holy Spirit and the mission of the Gentiles. The Holy Spirit at Pentecost, the mission to the Gentiles. Read up opposition to the gospel message. Opposition to the gospel message, okay? Then number C, team C, read up the epistles. That is the books written by the apostles after Acts of the Apostles. Read up epistles of James, Under it, we have faith and work, impartiality, effective prayers. Read up the epistles of First Peter. Under it, we have good citizenship, Christians living among Christians, non-Christians, interpersonal relationship among Christians. Then read up the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit and the mission of the Gentiles. The Holy Spirit at Pentecost, mission to the Gentiles. Remember, like I said, go ahead. These are the textbooks you can look. These are the textbooks you need. I mean, the Holy Bible, Revised Standard Version, the New Curriculum Bible Stories, and all the rest. Just watch on it. What you have to do is like this video right now. And for you that have watched this video to the point, you can also get our book, Succeeding Successfully in WAEC and NECO Exams. So just go ahead and like this video. You can share this video. Just click on the share button, copy the link, and paste it on all the WhatsApp group you belong to, and all the Facebook and all online platform that you belong to, so that they can also watch this video as they prepare for the examination. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you have subscribed but you have not told me you have subscribed, just come under this comment, this video, and say I have subscribed. Once I see you have subscribed, I will begin to guide you, send you all the materials you need in order to pass in flying colors in this your NECO examination. Thank you and all the best.